Hi, Stephen Mates at Dyers Road ITM. We're down here at Stanmore Road in Christchurch with a 14 single bedroom unit project for one of our clients. We've been tasked with full building material supply, but today we've got the team at VIP Frames Trusses delivering 7 prefabricated mid-floors to on-site. Let's go and have a look. What you're seeing here is floor number 3 of 7 being lifted and lowered into place. Shortly it'll be lowered down to the top plate where it'll be squared up by the builders and secured in place. Now that this floor cassette has been lowered and secured in place, you can see from underneath what happens in the factory where all these materials meet each other. But from the Cardolt Harvey high joist to the VIP structural steel beam, it's all coordinated so well, so it all just slots together beautifully. Over here is a good example of the coordination and the perfection where the steel beam meets the steel post. Millimetre perfect. Well done. Now that we're up top, you can see the floor cassettes from a different angle and the makeup of the mid-floor. The high-span boundary joist with the plywood and then topped off and finished with the aerated concrete panel. What you're looking at here is the structural steel beam coming from inside the floor cassette, all ready to go for the first floor balcony to be framed up shortly. It's now just after lunchtime and all the 7 prefabricated mid-floor cassettes are in place. Now it's time for the first floor frames, which have just arrived and will be lifted up this afternoon. Really happy with how today's gone. Everything's run smoothly, but most importantly, it's been a real time saving for the client. If you're interested in learning more, please get in contact.